In this video, I'm gonna talk about the things that I absolutely love about this wardrobe, as well as the things that I wish were different. And before we dive in, I wanted to mention that this wardrobe was gifted to me. Things to keep in mind is that this armor comes in 2 boxes. We have a box 1 out of 2 and 2 out of 2. The little delay between the shipping is totally normal. I think mine came like 4 days apart. It is very nicely packaged. As you can see, we have a lot of styrofoam in between the pieces to keep everything nice and scratch free. It took me about 2 hours to assemble it, but if you are a more experienced person, it should take you less than that. Here's how it looks once it's assembled. It looks very, very cute. It is not real wood. It is compressed with sawdust. It has very cute finishing. And what I absolutely love is how many clothes we can fit inside here. We have a hanging rod and it fits kid sizes and adult sizes as well. And right here we can place our shoes or our purses. At the bottom right here we have a magnet, so when you close it, it stays nice and shut. Also, we have 3 additional drawers right here, and they are pretty big and spacious, which is very, very nice. So we can organize all of our clothes in one place. And of course, the best thing about it is how pretty this is. It makes absolutely beautiful statement in any room. As for the things that I wish were different is probably this part right here. This is our drawer, and this is where the heavy stuff is gonna be on, like clothing and stuff, and it feels very thin and pretty flimsy. So I wish for this part we had something more durable, stronger, like maybe thicker plank or maybe even a wooden part. Other than that, I think this shelf is absolutely beautiful. I really like how much stuff I can fit in it. It is very, very pretty, makes such a cute statement in my room. I really like it, totally recommend it.